So here we are going down the Uffington Hill, White Horse Hill. I think you might be able to see a bit of the White Horse right in front of me there in the grass. So here we are going down the White Horse, the Uffington White Horse Hill. It's quite a spectacular view from up here. Look at that. It's my first proper ride out on the GT since I got it back from Bike Treads in Swindon. I left it there before this whole lockdown. Can't talk anymore. So I left it there before this whole lockdown thing started to replace the sensor, the lambda sensor, or O2 sensor. And then the lockdown came in place and they had to close for 6 weeks. And it wasn't until the end of April that I got the GT back, so almost a month ago. And since then I only rode it twice. First time to bring it home from the workshop, and then another couple of times, 3 times I think, to the supermarket. But I wasn't really in the mood to do any filming, and so I didn't do. So this is the first proper ride that I'm doing on it, and so far, yes, really enjoying it. The reason why I took it there, like I said, was to Bike Treads, was to replace the lambda sensor. I was having fuel consumption issues. Do you know what? I'm not going to shoot a single minute more. Just pack everything up and that's it. Oh, for fuck's sake.